All right, guys, so I've got a good one for you today. We're going to learn one new chord. Remember, this is a beginner series. We're going to learn one new chord, and we're going to turn it into 3 different chords. 3 chords in less than 3 minutes. We can do this. We can learn guitar together. I'm ready. How about you? All right, the chord that we're going to be working on today is going to be the E chord. The E chord. It's used in a lot of songs, and it's not that hard to do. It requires these 3 fingers. That's it. These 3 fingers. So we take our first finger, we put it on the first fret of the G string. The G string would be the 3rd from the bottom. We take the second finger and we put it on the A string, which is the 5th from the bottom. We take the 3rd finger and we put it on the 4th string, and that is the 4th from the bottom. This is what it should sound like. We're going to go note by note. One complete strum. That is your E chord. Very simple, correct? E chord. All right, so I told you that we would get 3 chords in less than 3 minutes. So let's take that same fingering, don't change anything, but take and move all of them down 1 string towards the floor. Okay, so just move all fingers one at a time down towards the floor and hold the same thing as the E. We move it all down and we have this shape. This chord, one strum. Today's not today. 1 string at a time sounds like this. Now that chord is the A minor chord, A minor. It's also used in a lot of songs as well. All right, so now we've got 2 chords under our fingers using the same pattern of fingers up here on the fretboard. We have 2 different chords that we've learned, the E and the A minor. But I said we're going to get 3 and we're going to do it under 3 minutes. That's simple. Go back to our E, move all the fingers up 1 string, okay? Now, we're back to the E chord. Remember the E chord? We just did it. E chord. Now simply lift your first or your index finger off the fretboard. Now you see my pinky's not doing anything either. So lift that finger. Now when you learn to play, you don't want your finger this high. I'm doing it for demonstration purposes, okay? So now we only have the 2nd and 3rd finger. This is E minor. E minor. Put our finger back. E, E minor, E, E minor. And there you go. We've learned 3 chords in less than 3 minutes. This can't be that simple, but it really is. It can be that simple. Now remember, when I started putting these videos together, my goal is I want to make a channel where we come together and we learn guitar together. Listen, mistakes are okay here. Matter of fact, mistakes are welcome. You will never see me come onto a video and just be going up and down the fretboard crazy. Well, maybe one day, I hope. But be going up and down the fretboard crazy and then going, this is a beginner lesson. Because that's not how you learn. And I'm not going to throw too much information at you too fast because I know it's a struggle to learn. Lord, I've been doing it for years. I have a basic working knowledge that's beginner level. Hopefully I'll get to the intermediate level eventually. But I want everybody to learn because it's a great hobby. So come join me, jump on the channel, subscribe so you know when videos come out, and I'm going to try to put out some of these videos from time to time and make them really simple, make them where you can pick up stuff and you can further your playing. Guys, I look forward to seeing you over at the channel. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.